Okay, there's a little baby. She's one of two. A little hiding underneath the tree. Let's see how big these bucks are. This buck is approximately 15 feet from me, 12 feet. There are two more big ones there. This is the one that she comes right up to me. But for some reason they like eating underneath this tree. This little baby under there. But they're going away. There's that baby. She's under there. I don't know where her mom is. And she's one of the twins, so I don't know where the other one is. Oh, there's Mama with her. There's the big buck. Leave her alone. Don't you dare do that. She's feeding her babies. Yeah, this is a four pointer, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4, I think. Oh, there's the baby. Oh, got the baby. There's the baby looking for her mom. Looking for milk, I think.